Hi everyone, so I'm Saqib from University of New Brunswick, and today my talk is about the disinformation, the ongoing project that I'm working with my students. So just a bit of background, what is disinformation? So disinformation is basically a false information that is created intentionally to deceive people. For example, you can see this graph. So there is a red dot. I'm not sure whether you can see, but this red dot is basically a viral fake news article. And you can see how quickly it spreads to all other users and impact people. So disinformation is really a broad area. And as of now, in today's talk, I will briefly cover two popular ways to spread disinformation, which is fake news detection and deepfake detection. So what is fake news detection? Let me give an example. This is a satire news article. So we feed this article to the detection model, and finally we get the output, whether it is true or false. So based on our recent study, we found that the existing detection models do a very good job when it comes to the articles written in English, right? But the problem is, if I take the same news article and I translate it in some different low resource languages like Urdu or Arabic or Hindi, the list goes on, the existing detection models do not perform well. And in this direction, because the time is very limited, we are working on developing a model that can predict fake news written in different languages. So this work is right now going on revisions, but here is the idea. The idea is while you are reading any news article, you just copy that news article and you just paste it. Right now it's a very basic prototype, but the idea is you just copy the article and see whether it is fake or it's real. And this model works as of now. It works for Arabic and English. But again, as I said, the idea is to include more lower source languages so that we can find a way to tackle this problem. The other aspect that we are covering is basically deepfake detection. So what is deepfake detection? It refers to the use of deep learning techniques to create or manipulate audio and visual content in a way that makes it appear real but is actually fake. For example, there are different types of deepfakes, by the way. For example, in figure 2, this is the real picture of my student Zubair, and below is a fake version of him. And if you go to the figure 1, so in figure 1, I am the target. So to the left side of the image, it's my static image, and by using the facial reenactment, my fake version can be created. So in this direction right now, we are investigating the role of compression. Again, based on the previous studies and our study, we found that when you add compression to the video, it makes existing fake news detection models very less effective. Again, due to limited time, I will not go in more details, but in this direction, we are working to develop a model that can detect fake news in low compressed version as well. So with that, my next step is really I'm looking for an international collaboration because disinformation is the international issue. I mean, me or my researchers or my lab, we cannot tackle this issue alone. So we need people from diverse backgrounds. And second, in coming years, we are looking to create more open source tools that people can use to focus in this very direction. With that, I would like to acknowledge my funding agencies as well that are helping me to work in this direction. And if you are interested to know more about my research, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.